Hey everyone! If you're a stay-at-home mom like me, you know that managing your health and that of your family is a top priority. Today, I'm excited to share how ChatGPT can be your new best friend in achieving daily health benefits right from the comfort of your home. So let's dive in. First off, meal planning. We all know how daunting it can be to think of healthy meals every day. ChatGPT can help. Just tell it your dietary preferences and nutritional needs, and it will whip up meal plans and recipes just for you. Imagine having a nutritionist right at your fingertips. Next, mental health. It's no secret that mom life can sometimes feel a bit isolating. ChatGPT can offer support here too. It can suggest mindfulness exercises, provide tips on managing anxiety, and even offer a listening ear when you need someone to talk to. It's like having a wellness coach who's always there for you. Now, let's talk about physical exercises. Not sure how to fit a workout into your busy schedule? ChatGPT can suggest quick, effective workouts that you can do right in your living room while your little one is napping. It's like a personal trainer who understands the hectic life of a mom. And what about keeping up with health information? ChatGPT stays updated with the latest health news and can explain complex health topics in simple terms. Whether it's understanding the symptoms of common illnesses or getting tips on improving sleep, ChatGPT has you covered. Transitioning to children's health, ChatGPT can be incredibly helpful. From answering questions about child nutrition to suggesting ways to keep your kids active, it's a resource you'll find indispensable. It's like having a pediatric advisor at your command. Now, I know managing all this information might seem overwhelming, but ChatGPT can also help organize your health tasks. It can remind you of vaccination schedules, doctor's appointments, and even track your health goals. It's essentially your personal health assistant. Before we wrap up, let's not forget about the community aspect. ChatGPT can connect you with other moms, suggest forums, and help you find local support groups. It's wonderful for building that much-needed sense of community. So there you have it. ChatGPT is more than just a chatbot. It's a versatile tool that can significantly ease the daily challenges of mom life, helping you stay healthy and connected. I encourage you to give it a try and see the difference it can make. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss out on tips that make mom life healthier and happier. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier, happier you.